Welcome to the video. Today we're going to talk about that whether it is a function or not. So we're going to have a function and an inverse of that function. So let's think about this, whether it is a function or not. Look, the input has 4, 5, 6 and 7, and but the output has 3, 4 and 1, 5. Now you guys could be confused about, well, why they were so similar number. Don't worry, because the input can't have same number, but the output obviously can. So since the input has a different numbers like 4, 5, 6, 7, but the output is the same number, so it doesn't matter, it is a function. So always try to remember that the input can't have the same number, but the output can have that. Just for example, let's think of something that the inverse of the function. Okay, so what would be the inverse? The inverse will be completely opposite of that function, right? So the 4, 4, 4, 5, which was the output of that function, is come to the input, and 4, 5, 6, 7, which was the input of the fx functions, now it is an output. Now tell me, is it a function or not? Well, we can clearly say that this is not a function. Now why it's not a function? It's because we are getting the same input here. Like for example, look at this, the 4, 4, 4, 5, and the output we are getting different numbers. So since we are getting the same number in the output, it's not a function. We need to have a different numbers and the inputs to get output. So in the conclusion, you should say that if we have 4, 3 and the other one is 4 or 2, it's not a function at all, because their input is similar, 4 and 4. It's not a function at all. So what if we have 3 and 4 and 2 and 4? Then obviously it is a function. I tricked you, it's not a function at all. Look, 3 is similar. Still it's following the same rule that the input has a similar number. So what do we need now? We need a different output. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna erase this one and I'm gonna put 2 now. Sorry, not only this one, like this one, sorry. Now I'm gonna put 2 here, and here I want to put 3. Now the input has a different number, 3 and 2, so this is obviously a function. So we can say the f of x is a function, but f of inverse x is not a function. Like if you do the graph and vertical test, then you can eventually find the answer of it. But whatever, it's just to make you know that how to detect a function from a graph, like on the picture of the or the numbers. So thanks for watching, gotta go, bye.